Everybody can hear my voice?
We can hear you.
Okay, thank you. All right. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. I'm Renee, a strategic customer success consultant at Clarivate. So it's great to be here today. As we all know, AI is transforming almost every part of our life, and the research is no exception. So in the next hour, I would like to share how AI technology, when integrated into the Web of Science, can make your research process faster, smarter, or even more inspiring. So please allow me to turn off my camera to ensure my connection is stable, and I will turn on later. Okay. Okay. So let's turn into the how Clarivate is approaching AI. Be part of academic community. We have an important role to play in designing and applying AI tools responsibly. So we commit to providing tools that institutions and the users can trust to be transparent about the opportunity and risk of AI. And as always, rigorously follow academic principles and standards. So by that, we aim to provide the customer with more opportunity to uphold the research integrity and develop students' learning skill. So let's take a look. Sorry, let me hide my. Okay, so let's take a look at the Clarivate Academy AI platform. Our end-to-end framework from embedding AI across all Clarivate products and enabling institutions to build on the top of it. So our goal is very simple, to help researchers, librarians, and the students solve a real academic challenge faster, with more control and less complexity. So with this framework, we have three key layers of AI capability. So first, our AI assistants. So there are generative AI tools already embedded in the product, like Web of Science, ProQuest, and Primo, and ePCentral. So they support quick single-stage tasks, such as summarizing the key article takeaway, or enriching metadata, or recommending cross material. So they are already being used by more than 3,000 institutions worldwide. So next is we have an AI agent. So unlike assistants, agent can reason, plan, and carry out multi-step academic tasks, so such as conducting a literature review or identifying emerging research trends. So for example, the Web of Science Research Assistant, our first literature review agent, just released in this April. So finally, we are taking it one step further with the Agent Builder. So this feature empowers the institution to create their own customized agent and using local or no-code tools. So it means that the librarians or faculty and the research staff can design your own AI-driven workflow to your specific need. So all together, the Clarivate Academic AI platform supports a wide range of use case at scale. So it delivers consistent capability, such as conversational discovery and documents insight, visualization, and metadata generation, and analytics. So across our all AI product and the content operations. And importantly, the platform provides a safe, secure environment. So it's designed to protect privacy and ensure the data security and optimize the access to large language model. So institutions or users can adopt AI with confidence. So unlike many generative AI providers, actually, Clarivate, we don't have built our own large language model, which is the LLM. So how do we approach this thing differently? So let's take a look first at the left-hand side. This is most generative AI work. So these models are typically trained on the data from the internet. So when user ask a question, and the LLM generate the answer back to the users, right? But often the sources behind those answers are not transparent. So that is a rise and concern, especially in academic and the research context where the trust and the traceability matter. So when we conduct the research, in the Web of Science platform, in the cloud-based platform, actually we have a architecture we call is a retrieval augment generation. We call in short is RAG. So let me walk through how we process on the RAG. So when a user input natural language with a query, and our system will first search the trust content sources which are owned by Clarivate, such like the Web of Science or ProQuest, to retrieve the relevant information and include the result with the metadata and abstract, then turn into a prompt and send to our pre-training large language model. And in the Clarivate Academic AI platform, we collaborate with OpenAI. So right now we use the GPT 4.1 and 4.0 mini to provide the LLM. And the Clarivate Academic AI platform uses this to generate the final response. So provide the summary with the summary answer with the reference and metadata. So in the RAG, the main point is all the response from our AI is according to the database, not combine the source from the internet. So this helps ensure the accuracy and the transparency in academic use. So today I'm going to show one of our AI tool, the Web of Science Research Assistant. So the Web of Science Research Assistant is an AI-powered tool that we launched in the last September. So after an intensive beta period with development partner, so our goal with the research assistant is to help researchers at all levels get more out of their your interaction with the trust publication and the citation data in Web of Science calculation. So it's over innovative functionality powered by the generative and agentic AI that complement our broader AI assisted search experience. So it will not only help users search more efficiently to find the key paper in a vastly of research. It will also help researchers navigate complex research tasks and incorporate analytics into your search and the discovery experience without having to build product expertise to do so. So as we implement AI technologies, improving research search experience is one of our goals. So the research assistant over natural language and the multilingual search capability. So you can approach Web of Science research assistant with a question and plug that query in a way that is more efficient for you. And be powered by generative AI, the research assistant turn clear overview and commentaries that make it easy to understand what the paper most relevant to and the query are about. And you also can decide how you want to explore the further, like zoom in into a single paper or zoom out to all results. And we also developed new visualization that help you uncover meaningful connection between papers, concepts, and peoples that are delivered at many points along your product journey. Okay, so this is just a quick overview to let you know in the Web of Science Research System, you can ask the natural language with a simplified Chinese or traditional Chinese. Yeah, definitely English is work in the research system. So we provide the structure, the summarize to help you to better understand the answer to reply to you. And we provide all the reference, you can verify it. So response are reference linked, so you can click on the reference title and the window will pop on just side by side and you can review and to understand how it was generated. So it's very easy to use in the Web of Science Research System. Besides the conversation discovery, Web of Science Research System also provide the unique data visualization. So this visualization can also provide a description of what each visualization shows and explain how that information can be used to you as you guide your research. So as you can see, we provide such like the co-citing map to support you find the more high relevant paper and use the visualization. You can very convenient to access the specific article. And we also provide the topic map. So you can use the topic map to explore more subtopic maybe related to the topic you are interested in. And we also, in the research system, we provide basic statistic graph to support you to better understand what's the leading institution in the research field. So it's very convenient to show you at once. And also at author level, we provide like this whole author relationship map to support you can better understand the network from the specific author. So we still have many visualization in the research assistant. And today I will show you the live demo in the Web of Science Research Assistant. So show you later. So in the previous slide, we already seen how intelligent discovery makes it easier to interpret and explore the literature. So conversational search is certainly important, but through our discussion with the researchers and the librarians and the key opinion leader, we have discovered that AI can do enhanced search in even more way, in more potential solution. So we are using AI to help research be more efficient in the two different ways. So first, we have improved the search capability that quickly leads researchers to relevant content and enhance discovery through the unique visualization and analytics. But more importantly, we deliver the agentic AI guide and the intelligent prompt that highlight the potential path forward and help you complete complex research tasks faster. So in the Web of Science Research Assistant, use agentic AI to guide the researchers through the complex text like topic exploration or journal selection and literature review. So this intelligent workthrough help the user clarify your goal and refine strategies and incorporate relevant information at each step. So across the industries, you may be hearing about AI agent, right? So the agent can engage in more complex reasoning to plan and execute the task for the user. So the exciting promise of the agentic AI is that it helps streamline manual and standalone tasks while keeping the user in control of output. So the AI technology wave built on the top of each other. The work we have done already is not going away. Some use cases are still better served by current generative AI technology. So while more complex tasks will require an agentic AI approach. So in our academic domain, AI agent technology can carry out multi-step complex research and learning and the library management process on behalf of the user. So what exactly does the AI agent do? So we can see in the purple part, actually, it's work alongside you to understand what are you trying to approach, what is your purpose, and based on that, it suggests a plan and check it with you, then to gather the data from the relevant sources and execute the plan and collaborate with you to verify and refine the output. And finally, it delivers the result, which can be further refined if needed. So in short, it is a dynamic user guide process that adapts as your research evolves. So first application of agentic AI was the literature review in the Web of Science Research Assistant in April, as I mentioned, in this year. And this month, in October, we just released 2 new guides. Is the Tucker Explorer and the Find a Journal. It's very exciting news to you. So now let's see what happened when we bring the agentic AI into the Topic Explorer. So let's see how it transforms the way we understand and navigate a research field. So it shows you the main concept and the subtopics, so the map out the trend and the connection across the literature, and it makes it easier to spot the new and emerging area. So instead of spending hours manually going through the paper, the Top Explorer gives you the AI-powered suggestion that involve your focus and helping you explore smarter and faster and more strategically, okay? And for the literature review, actually, literature review is the first model where we integrate agentic AI, and it's already received very many positive feedback from our user globally. So we understand when we conduct a literature review, researchers need to identify what has already been explored and what remains unaddressed, as well as justify the value and the relevance of your new idea. However, reviewing and synthesize the large body of the literature can be time-consuming and challenging. So especially when trying to grasp the key themes and emerging trends within the field. So in the research assistant, in the literature review, our AI agent can make this more easier. So the AI agent can work with you to identify the search strategy and fit your research questions, and also summarizing the key concept from the dozen of papers and highlighting the knowledge gap. So with that, yeah, knowledge gap, and the research hotspot, and also the trend subtopics, and suggesting the potential hypotheses based on those gap and the trend. So in the Web of Science Research Assistant, the agent prompts you to consider many factors as you define the research questions. So also encourages you to consider different angles, and in the case of newer researchers or students, help you to build your research skills. So there may be multiple layers of information in your topic area, and the agent guide you through the all processes of focusing on the right lines of research to consider. So the agent will suggest you the subtopic that you may want to use to refine your topic, and it's run the sample search query by you before running the search against the Web of Science code collection data. So you can see this is interaction with the AI agent. You can discover more and plan your search strategy in the literature review. Okay, so let's talk about the third task model is to file a journal. File a journal actually is helping researchers make smarter, faster, and publishing decisions. So this feature is powered by agentic AI. So meaning it doesn't just return a list of journal. It actively work with you to understand your manuscript and guide you through the decision-making process. So if you have a title and abstract, the system analyze the content and suggest the journal that are strong match. So you can also explore the journal option by the topic, even if you haven't finalized your manuscript. And with the built-in filter for the publication criteria like open access, or you want to command the research assistant filter by publication frequency, you can quickly narrow down to the journal that best meet your need. So this is a great example of how agentic AI can simplify the complex text by combining content analysis with the guide decision support. So it's also combined the power of the manuscript matcher feature in the meta-journalist with the rich metadata about the journal's content in the Web of Science. So in here, you can see my screenshot. Not just only provide the journal list, we also combine the impact factor or journal citation indicator in each journal in the sector, and also the agentic AI will ask more questions for if you need to filter more to support your journal needed. Okay, so now I'm sure many of you are excited to see how the Web of Science Research Assistant powered by the agentic AI, right? So I believe a research assistant can provide you with richer and more reliable information. So next, let's take a look at how it actually works and how the new AI assistant help you to explore the topic and generate insight and discover connection that may otherwise take hours to find. Okay, so this is the Web of Science main page. When you right here. So when you log into the Web of Science, you will go to our main page with the smart search. But actually, the smart search is not a research assistant. We divided 3 different ways for you discover your literature. So please click on the top of the navigator. Here we call the research assistant. Sorry, just put this way. Okay. So when you click on here, you will go to the main page of a research assistant. So when you access the Web of Science, you don't need to log in your personal account. Then you can access all resources in the Web of Science, even the research assistant. But if you want to record your history, your conversation with the research assistant, I will suggest you can log in your personal account in the Web of Science so that you can recall each conversation in the research assistant. Okay. So in the research assistant main page, you can see, as I just introduced to you, we have a 3 guide tests. It's just listed here. And we also have the open question here. So you can ask the question in here or just select which one is your purpose. You can go into each of them. So the firstly, I would like to show you if you want to ask a question with the open question here. Actually, we have a sample question just provide to you. So right now, I want to type my question in the Chinese because I want to show you the capability, which I just tell you research assistants support the natural language and the multilingual in the discovery. So here I just want to see okay, my question is, can skin cells turn into the eggs? Because I remember last month I watched a news that in the nature that in the future the skin cell can turn into the egg and help a lot of people. So this is my question. I want to know about this. So right now I just put my question in here and click on the search. And research assistant starting generative overall about the answer to reply my questions. So you will see right now, because I asked the question is Chinese, so it's replied me in the Chinese. So right now I want you focus on this link. Most of you may be curious how this result be generated in the Web of Science Research Assistant. And as you can see, actually, we try to be transparent to support you to understand our keyword, how to extend the different terminology and the Boolean logic in here. So if you want to keep monitor the latest paper in the Web of Science, use the same query, and you can copy this query and save it and go back to the advanced search to keep monitor the data paper in the world. So here is we saw after I asked the questions, actually we got more than 3,000 results here. And here you can see we provide the overview about the iPS cell and also the potential and other key finding in here. So in here, we also provide 25 up to the 25 reference documents, and then you can verify each reference. Just click on the title, and here we will show you the bibliography include the title and abstract. And if you want to dig more to view the full record, you can click on here. And the Web of Science will jump you to full record to see the citation network or other more detail regarding the author or organization. Then let's go back to here. Then we also provide the visualization, as I mentioned, that we provide you the core citation map to help you to find out the high relevant reference or literature. So here you can click on the core citation map. So here you can see this is the article and this is the citing article. here in the middle of the name is the common reference they call cited. So here you can just click on the specific bubble and you can go to the view document as I just showed you. So here is the very good function for the user to try to find out more high relevant literature in the research assistant. And here we have a bibliography or more detailed just list down of the graph. Okay. So also we have many okay. We have here enrich cited reference. This graph just help you to more better understand in the list paper, the reference, the why this author cited the specific paper, what's the purpose, and why it's citing for. So this is just help you to know more about this paper's reference. And we also in the another angle is to show you the citing article to show you why other citing article want to cite this paper, and most of them is citing in the background or basis or discussion. So here you can know more about the citing article's purpose. So these are we show you the up to the 25 reference here, and we also provide some visualization like here. So if you want to know the top trend, you can click on here and we will show you the trend graph to tell you in your subject, in your topic, the trend is going up or going down. Is the worth to make you put your resources to research the topic. So here can provide a quick overview about the trend, and we also provide the top map. So you can click on the top map. It's not just only IPSL, and also around this topic you may also interested in. So you can just click on the one of the bubble, and we will bring you to the result page with the document. Okay. And if you want to quick overview, who is the top author? So here you can just click on in here. So all the author, we will list the top 10 author, and we also put the metrics like publication or H index or time cited. And each author with the green check is, which is mean this profile is verified by the author. So you can click on the author name, and we will show you the author summary. And this is also integrate the generative AI to show you what is the research focusing on, and why the author, why the significant work in the area. And we also provide the most recent publication, and you can follow up if you're interested in this author. And also we listed the most cited publication. So you can see this also this author published in paper in the 2003 with right now this paper is already received more than 4,000 citation from worldwide. So as here, we also provide the visualization to show you the co-author visualization. So you can see here who is the most collaborate with. So if you are interested in other expert, you also can click on it. So this is the top author. We will provide it to you. So much information in here. Okay. So one thing I want to mention is that, here. So right here, we only provide up to the 25 reference for the response, right? But if you want to see the all result, as I mentioned, this result, we have more than 3,000 result. So if you want to see the all result, you can click on here, and we will go to the result page to see the all result from the Web of Science calculation. or let me go back here. Here you can go to see the preprint, but here I want to emphasize that in the list 25 reference are all according to the resources from the Web Bioscience Corporation. We won't collect the data and the paper from the preprint because preprint is not the final version. It's not past the peer review, but we put the link here just make you can check if anything already, any research already done and prepared to publish in the world, then you can notice that. So that's the reason why we put the preprint so that you can see what in the there are 46 paper is research regarding the IP itself. So if you are interested in, you can see the methodology or other information in here, but this is just for your reference. It's not just generated by the preprint paper, okay? So here is just, I show you, I asked about the open question with the can skin cell turn into the egg, and I finalized, I find this is regarding the iPS cell. So I want to explore more about the iPS cell. Then I will go to the Target Explorer. So here is the just the test guided. You can select it. So let's click on here. So here you can type anything you want. So right now I want to show you is I just type the iPS cell. It's very simple. Just put my topic I'm interested in, and the Target Explorer right now is integrate agentic AI. So it's just give you the explanation of the iPS cell, and also the agentic AI just identify the topic and the subtopic to support you to better understand what is the relation, what is the related topic in iPS cell, and also we have other related topic and also provide you the reference document as I just show you. And here we also in the AI agent, and they ask you if you want to find the more review article or identify top user, or you want to know the leading institution in this area. Yes, I'm interested in this question. You can ask it, command the research assistant to help you to better understand who, which institution is leading in this area worldwide. So right now you can see we have a University of California system and Harvard University, Kyoto University. So here we provide the basic statistic visualization to you. And also we not just provide you the visualization, we also have a summary here. Then you can have a better understand what is the information from the visualization. And we can create more visualization regarding the topic, like I want to create the word cloud. And here it's trying to create like word cloud to help you to more understand more quickly about the topic. It's not just iPS cell and other maybe you are interested in. So here also provide you a summary. Okay, so I want to show you one more visualization. Is if I'm interested in, maybe give me a country map. And because I want to know, even I know which institution is leading in this area, but I want to know which country or region has the most research in the iPS cell. So here you can see the most research is from the United States, but in the Asia, not only the China has the iPS cell, the Japan also has many of research in the iPS cell. So this visualization also have better assistant you to understand very quickly to about IPSL. So you can do more in the Topic Explorer, but I just right now I shall show you the what kind you can do that and create the visualization. Okay, so all the questions or conversation, you can copy the task or you can download as a PDF. Then once you want to retrieve your conversation, then you can check the PDF. And also we can help you to, okay, maybe just I asked too many questions, so need to spend the time to generate. Okay, maybe, okay. Let me back to the Web of Science Research Assistant. And yeah, here. And here we can download as a PDF, and also we can explore the reference as a CSV. So right here. So here I want to introduce another way is, if you are interested in the article and you want to put this into your EndNote or your reference manager, so this is very good way to help you to save each of them. So here we provide the DOI, and you can copy the DOI into the EndNote. So let me show you the EndNote here. This is my EndNote library. So I can add one. Sorry. Yeah, here. So I can add one reference here, and you can find the field called DOI and paste and save. Okay, so right here, I just add one reference from the research assistant, and I can find the reference update. I just put the DOI, and the EndNote will help me to fill the all field about this paper. So here, yeah, I can have a comprehensive bibliography about this paper from research assistant. So here we suppose you can explore the reference as a CSV, and you can select which one you are interested in and import this reference into your EndNote. Okay, so this is kind of overall about the Topic Explorer. So let's take a look at the literature review. So it's right middle of the screen. The literature review, we suppose you can create the literature review or identify the research gap or find the hotspot and formulate the hypothesis. So in here, I want to show you is the agentic AI will create response a different answer according your role. So here I want to show you if I want to create a detail about I am a professor. Interesting knowledge related to in cell. Okay, so I tell the research assistant that I'm a professor and I'm trying to develop the technology about IPSL. And here you can see the agentic AI agent just show me regarding my topic, it still have some subtopic right here. Maybe you can consider. So yeah, I won't know. You can have a more conversation, or if you have specific subtitle or subtopic, you can input and have more interaction with the agentic AI. And here, just I mentioned that we the agentic AI will show you the query they are going to search in the Web of Science code collection. Yes. Okay, so right now, the AI agent will suggest me can just retrieve the last 10 years from the 2015 to to this year. So yes, I think maybe 5 years is good enough. So I don't need the 10 years data. Maybe I just need to 5 years data. So here you can see the scope, provided your scope about your literature, include the introduction or key finding and the gap in the research and the conclusion, a potential hypothesis and some reference. So I want to input, I want to add one, add maybe the leading institutions. Okay. So I'm not just satisfied with the scope it just create for me. I want to add one more element, is a leading institution. So here you can see in the list structure, the agentic AI just helped me to input one more element here. So yes, confirm. And the literature review will starting generate the content according to the structure, and we will see it's an amazing result. Yeah, here is very important thing is the agentic AI find a lot of article in this topic, and in the here we only allow you can up to the 50 article to create the literature review. So here I want to use the 25. It's quite enough. Okay, so as you can see here, we have an introduction and the key finding, and each sentence we will have the reference just beside the sentence, and you can click on to verify the document. And here you can see the key finding and gap in the research, and also we have a leading institution. I just asked the AI agent to show me. And also here we have a conclusion and all the reference document here. And here I want to ask the AI agent to me create a table to mapping the research gap and the innovation and description. So this is just not a conversation with the research assistant. You also can command research assistant to create maybe like table for you to support you can more quickly understand the research gap, the widen innovation and the description. Or maybe you can just create one more column to show you the methodology. So here is I want to show you is you can have a more interactive with the research assistant in the literature review. Okay, so let's go back to the last task is the file a journal. So in the file a journal, it's a simple way is you can put your title or just tell the research assistant what is your research area. So right here, I want to put my manuscript. This is my title, and tell the AI agent. And yes, he say this is my title. So if I have an abstract, so I can provide you as well. So here is my abstract. So in the research assistant, it's according to your title and abstract. Sometimes will also according to the research area, you just tell it. So here it show you the stem cell report is the high match score. So you may consider about it. So here you can see we have a more information in the previous version in the research assistant, find a journal. So here we not just only show you the publication, we also show you the publisher and the publisher country and region, and ISSN and the publication frequency. And this journal, it was indexed in the SCI and also other schema. Besides that, we also integrate some of the indicators from the journal citation report. So here you can see we provide the impact factor and the journal citation indicator. So if you want to know more about the impact, like quartile or rank by category, you can click on the link, then we will show you more detail on it. And also, you are not just see the list from the research assistant. Here, you can have a more filter, like I want to open access. And the research assistant will retrieve the result for me with open access and according to my topic. So here you can see right now the responses just list all the journal are open access. Okay, here. So definitely you can filter the country, region, language, and so on. So here is because we this month we just released this new version with the Find a Journal. So I believe this you can find a lot of information in this module. Okay. So this is quite comprehensive about how to answer the question in the research assistant, and I believe you are also interested in. We have so many different search sector. So which one should I use? So I listed this. I put this table to help you to better understand. If you have a general question or a broader question, I will suggest you go to the open questions, and it may help you to inspire the research idea. So if you have a specific topic, but you are not familiar with, you can just go to the topic explorer because you already have the topic. It's not just a diversity questions. So topic explorer can use it to have many visualization to help you quick into the research field. Okay, so literature review is kind of like systematically organized literature. If you don't know how to gather or organize the paper, which is the important or key finding, I think the literature review, this sector is you should use because this can help you to provide the scope, just interact with you with the final output. So literature review, you can use that right here. Okay, so along with the potential of AI, so we are seeing the way that AI presents the challenges when applied in an academic research context. So when you partner with Collaborate, you can feel the confidence that we have carefully considered both the challenge and opportunity. So Web of Science Research Assistant address them in these 4 ways. So firstly is a high quality content. So Web of Science Research Assistant is powered by carefully curated data from editorially selected source, rely on the Web of Science core collection data, so ensure that the tool deliver meaningful insight that add value to your research process. And secondly is the community engagement. And we are developing the assistant in the partnership with the researchers and the librarian to ensure that the feature we implement to solve the real world problem in a way that deliver trust in the technology and its application. And the third is the purposeful design. So to maximize the strength and the suitability of the AI for researchers, our data scientists have optimized the content preparation and the search index true-world content in the scientific and academic research domain. And the last thing is the responsible application. So transparency builds the trust. So which is why we make it easier to understand how content is generated and offer the way to review each response. So we are aligned with the evolving licensing and the usage right in the AI landscape. So finally, I would like to emphasize one more important point is the privacy data and protection. This is the most question the user will ask me. Actually, in the Clarivate, we understand that the trust is at the core of any AI innovation. So that's why we built the Web of Science research system with the privacy and security by design. So your search activity or your idea and your search data are never used to train AI model. We protect your information with the same level of care and the integrity that the research expects from us. So as we come to the end of today's session, so I would like to invite you to join our special online quiz designed for Hong Kong customers. So it is a great opportunity to explore the Web of Science research system hands-on, while also have a chance to win the exciting prize, as you can see right here. So this quiz will run until the end of this month, the end of November. So welcome to join this campaign, and I hope you can get the prize from us. So right now, I think I still have 5 minutes to take the question from you. So if you have any questions, please send the message in the chat. I will do my best to reply you. So our host just put the link regarding to our statement of privacy, and also put the link in the chat is regarding to our online quiz. So any questions? Okay, one of a user just asked about find a journal right here. So yeah, actually this is the 2.0 version in the journal finder. So yeah, this provides more detailed information. So the access link in this tool, we don't provide each of the tests to the individual link. You have to go to the Web of Science and click on the research assistant. Then you will find this main page, then go to the find a journal. Okay. Okay, let me take another question. How do I know? Okay, so right here, as I mentioned right here, so all the reference can be verified. So if you want to know more about the detail, you can click on the title and go to the full record. So in the full record, we integrate more downloading feature, like you want to download the full text from the publisher or from your library. So here, if you want to retrieve more information with the full text, you should go to click the title of the reference and go to the full record. Okay. Let me take the 3. Okay. Yeah, I think you can try. Yeah, let me describe the question from the user. So the user wants to know if she or he enter his or her hypothesis or assumption, the research assistant can help to identify appropriate statistical tests or analyze your research result. Yeah, I think you can try it. Like you can go to the open question to ask the question you are interested in, and also you can comment it, go maybe provide some statistics maybe you are interested in. So I think maybe it can reply the answer as you need. Okay. Okay. Because the time is limited, I take the last question from you. The last question is a very good question. Is all the response? Let me see. The response of the AI based on the abstract only over 4 tests of the article. So, in the Web of Science, as you may know, we index the journal according to their policy because we have a copyright. So yes, so right now in the research assistant, we generated by the title and the abstract is not full text because of the copyright issue. So right now, as you can see, some article in the Web of Science, we only provide the bibliography with abstract. We don't have a full text because it needs to subscription. So all the responses based on the abstract. So the second question is, how can we check which journal are covered by AI? I'm not sure what is the question you mentioned that, because all the response from the research assistant is from the Web of Science code collection. It's not covered by AI. So let me just show you. So here, let me go to the Foraker. So here you can see when I jump to the Foraker, here we let you know the source. This paper was generated as a response is from this journal, and this journal is indexed in the Web of Science code collection. So here we is according to all the journal was indexed in the Web of Science code collection. It's not just open access, it's all by the selected journal process in the Web of Science. Okay. Okay, so the time is around the 2 minutes. So thank you for your attending today. I hope today's session can help you to better understand what the Web of Science Research Assistant can provide and what the information can help you to accelerate your research. So please let me know, or if you have any question about the research assistant, you can contact your librarian or just contact our collaborator. Okay, thank you for your time. Bye-bye.